If your gas range doesn't seem to be working, there's probably a simple solution to get it running as it should. If your range was just installed, check to make sure it's plugged into the outlet properly. This applies to ranges that have a power cord. Check your fuse box or breaker box to make sure the circuit is active, and don't forget to make sure the gas valve's turned on. Note, if you're using LP gas instead of natural gas, make sure the air mixture is adjusted properly. If the flames are too high or their color is off, the burner cap is not on correctly. Check that all the burner caps are level and placed correctly on the burner heads. The burner cap should be centered on the burner head. If you still have uneven flames from the burner ports may have become clogged. When operating correctly, the burner should produce blue flames. If the flame is orange, there may be dust particles in the main gas line. Just leaving the burner lit for a few minutes should clear the line so the flame turns blue. If the burners aren't lighting properly, first make sure the surface control knob is completely turned to light. Press the surface control knob in and turn it to light until the burner ignites. Then turn the control knob to the desired flame size. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.